Everyone, my name is Daniel, and I was going to start up YouTube. I have another YouTube channel, but I'm not going to upload on that. I'm going to upload on this. Oh, crap! Oh, comment if you looked. Yeah, I was just going to start up a YouTube channel again for this summer. My brother convinced me. And I wanted to make a room tour video today. That's what almost everyone does. And yeah, I may make like trampoline videos and just other challenges. You comment what you want me to, what challenges or what you want me to do if I actually get a couple subscribers. Alright. Oh yeah, I live with my brother, Slow Hands, if you don't know him. He plays Minecraft, and he's drawing himself. It's pretty cool. And here, thing, sorry. That's the setup, yeah. This is his room. I'm not going to do a room tour for him yet. This is my room. So first, we're going to start off with let me shut the door so you can't hear havoc. There's a Lego jet, TV. It's like a pretty big TV. It's kind of cheap, but you got a Xbox, Proline. Then I got Legos. This probably took me a year total to get all the stuff and whatever. And it's kind of a mess right now. I need to fix everything, and I'm kind of like doing stuff with Flood and whatever. If you know what Halo is, I don't know. But yeah, that's my Legos. I have the exact same I have the exact same bed that David has, Lohan's. And yeah, here's my desk. I got Halo, pictures Sammy made and whatever. Yeah, I'll probably do a different video. Got banana chairs. I got my scooter. I got a dartboard. This is mine. I made all those shots. What the heck? Oh, it could have just been a vent. It could have just been a vent. Here's a bunch of stickers that I got. Envy, Plan B, trying to be like Jesus, whatever. I got my bed. Yeah. This is my room. This is one of the first, types of my room. So, things may change. I'm going to paint this gray. I got a really nice view of mountains and, a orchard and whatever. Comment down below if you're jealous. I bet you are. Yeah, so that's my room. So comment down below what challenges or videos you want me to do. Okay, I'm gonna go check around the house because check this side. That's Havoc. He's even scared. You didn't hear that door open. There's definitely no one here. There's no one home right now. And I am hearing weird noises. I really hope these are caught on my phone, these noises, because David will not believe me if I don't catch these noises. No. There's no one here. Sorry, I'm just freaking out. Okay, well, I'm just gonna finish this video and look around. So, yeah, comment down below if you have any challenges or whatever you want to do. I want to shout out my brother, Slowhands. He motivated me to start a YouTube channel. I really hope this goes somewhere. So yeah, just go check out Slowhands. Give his video some likes and subscribe to him. And if you're new, you know, yeah, you have to be. Subscribe and like the video. Peace out. I'm gonna get an outro, but peace.